Things have really settled down after a stormy Friday night and early Saturday morning with thunderstorms, severe weather, even a couple of tornadoes that were confirmed by the National Weather Service in Hart and Metcalfe counties doing some damage. We had the big hail that day, as you'll recall for some of you, and the heavy rains. Now all that has settled down, and looking outside this morning, it looks like it wants to rain. And there may be a couple of sprinkles or a light shower around, but other than that, it's just a lot of cloud cover that we're dealing with this morning. Kind of that moisture layer kind of trapped there where it is, and that's usually the case in wake of these kind of systems. We've got a stalled out boundary just east of us is kind of keeping us a little bit cloudy for a time. I think we will see some sun today through the clouds, but this morning, cloudy with a couple of little sprinkles here and there. The temperature is quite comfortable, 72 with a dew point of 69, not quite as muggy. And over the course of the weekend, it was one of those where you had even a little bit of a breeze. You could sit on your patio and drink a cup of coffee and not be too muggy. It felt comfortable. North wind at 3, 91% relative humidity right now. Doppler Max HD not showing much of anything going on, but as I mentioned, when you get over to the higher elevations of the Cumberland Plateau, you start to see a couple of little showers like over there toward Burkesville and Albany, over toward Monticello, then down toward Cookeville, Tennessee. To expand the view, you can see them kind of moving backward and around that area of low pressure, which is just north of the Lexington area. And then this is a trough that extends all the way down into East Tennessee and northern Georgia. That's where any organized shower activity is going on this morning, but all of it is very tame. There's no strong or severe storms expected out of any of that. Current temperatures right now in the mid-60s to low 70s back to the west, and the dew points very comfortable in the mid to upper 60s, close to 70. Not quite as muggy as it has been. Now, yesterday with those scattered showers as they move through the area, 7/100 of an inch of rain officially at the Bowling Green Airport. So now we're at 2.64 for the month of July. We almost caught up to where we needed to be, pretty close. We're now only 43/100 of an inch of rain behind where we should be to stay on pace for the month of July. And for the year to date, we've evened things back up. So good news. 79, that was it for our high temperature yesterday when it should be 90. That's an 11-degree difference. 71 was our low temperature. Greenville this morning, you're starting out cloudy with a temperature at 69. Franklin, cloudy, even a little bit of light fog, it looks like. Your temperature at 70 there. Litchfield, I think this is an old picture, but your temperature is at 66. That's, I know the sun has come up there as well. It's just an old picture from that weather cam. 82 today for Greensburg, Campbellsville, Columbia, around the Green River Lake area, courtesy of the Kentucky Lottery of the hometown forecast. Here you go. Trough of low pressure extending, as I mentioned, north of Lexington, actually more east of Cincinnati now, stretching all the way down to about Atlanta, Georgia, and then back to the west, a weak cold front. This is going to come through tomorrow and actually start to break down, but as it does, we still have a chance of seeing a few isolated to widely scattered showers, more so tomorrow than today, even though it looks like it wants to rain right now. We're just going to keep in a pop-up shower or thunderstorm mainly east of us today, quiet tonight, and then here's that chance of showers tomorrow. Again, mainly along and east of Interstate 65, more into central and eastern Kentucky, although we could see a stray shower thunderstorm here. Wednesday, this model wants to try to put back in that chance of showers over the area. Right now, I'm going to keep it dry until we get a little bit better model consistency. You know, we'll get another update on that a little bit later, and we'll decide whether to put in a chance here on Wednesday. 84 today, 66 tonight, 85 tomorrow. That chance of a shower, 89 Wednesday, 90 Thursday. A little bit better chance of some showers and storms, though, for the upcoming weekend. Laura?
Over the weekend, we showed you video of storm damage right here in south central Kentucky, and Our weather team filled us in on 3 different tornadoes confirmed in parts of our viewing area in southern Indiana. No injuries were reported from any of these storms, but some people have reported significant damage. Officials say for many people in the Lexington area, they may not have power fully restored until tomorrow.
It's pretty widespread. It's not real centralized. We got trouble, throughout the entire, Fayette County.
The Kentucky Utilities spokesperson called this the worst storm for outages since the 2003 ice storm. Kentucky not the only one to have severe weather. In Iowa, cleanup efforts continue after several tornadoes tore through the state last week. One community got some extra help on Saturday when the Iowa State University football team lent a helping hand. The coach leadership suggested the plan.
We don't have a time limit. We're just here to the people say they don't need us anymore. So we're just going around each house, seeing who needs help. Right now, we're kind of working on this tree that we've been working on for a while, but it's getting done.